Alright, let's get into this. Set it and forget it. Easiest and most consistent way to make ribs perfect every single time. So we got our rack. We're going to clean off any silver skin or excess fat. We're going to peel off that membrane. Then we're going to cut these in half. And we're going to use our favorite rub. Use whatever you like. But I'm just going to coat both sides with the rub. Get that inside. Then we'll flip them over. Get the meat side. I'm using Killer Hogs barbecue rub. It's my favorite. You can get it at Walmart or Amazon online. Anyways, we're going to coat it real good. Then we're going to pick them up, and those ends that are bare, we're just going to tap them right like that. Make sure those ends get coated. And these are ready to go into our crock pot. That's right, folks. These are going right into a crock pot. No liquid, nothing. Just set them in there. Kind of make a little tent out of them so they're standing a little bit. And I'll set this for heat at low. And we're going to let this bad boy go untouched for 8 hours. That's right. Now, after 8 hours, they're going to be super tender. So be careful and gentle. And we're just going to pull them out and put them onto a cookie sheet. I got mine with that non-stick silicone, which I love. And I'm just going to hit these with just a little bit of barbecue sauce, not too much. Right on top, get my little brush and brush it up nice and even. Get it everywhere coated, just not too thick. I've got my oven preheated to 450 degrees. So we'll get some barbecue sauce on the other ribs, and we'll get our brush and spread that out nice and even. There we go. Now we're gonna pop these right into that hot oven that's preheated. And we're going to let these go for about 20 minutes at 450. And wait till you see how good they look when they come out. I'm telling you, this is the simplest way to make ribs anytime, day or night, no matter what the weather is. Look at that. Don't those look amazing? So there you have it. Set it and forget it ribs. Super simple. Everybody's going to love them. Fall off the bone tender. Loaded with flavor. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video. Got one every Wednesday, every Sunday. Thank you.
Taste you can't miss. Up and down with